We're taking a look at the carbon catch can from Nuke Performance. So it is made of real carbon, and the resin inside of it is ethanol safe. Now, most people that need catch cans are running boosted cars that are running on ethanol, so having it being ethanol safe is key. Like every other Nuke Performance catch can, it does come with a dipstick so that you can check to see how much stuff is in it. It comes with 2 inlet ports and -10 fittings, and also 1 outlet port that can either run a -10 fitting or a vent to atmosphere port. It has a 300 micron filter inside of it. On the bottom, you have an adapter for a petcock if you want to do so that you can mount it into your car and empty it without removing it. This piece, about 25% lighter than the aluminum comparison, and honestly, it's pretty badass.